If I had to choose it, murder was yours. Let's go.
All right, guys, happy holidays. So we're gonna open up our gifts that we received. We got 4 packages here. Yeah, 4, and I'm gonna start with the smallest one. This is the one where baby girl thought she was slick, and she tried to hide it in that ottoman, y'all, in that blue ottoman, knowing you can't really hide anything here because we ain't got no whole bunch of hiding places. So yeah, let me just go ahead and rip this because the bag is already it's already cracked. But let me see what this is. Whew. And guys, I just call these gifts. I don't really gonna say like Christmas gifts because they know I don't do Christmas. So I don't be really like, oh, this is cute. Be like, just give all year round. That's what I try to do. So this is the first gift. That is really pretty. So there's a watch, there's a bracelet charm, and we have something here. Both of them, all of them are cute. This is a bigger bracelet. It's costume jewelry, but it's nice. It is nice. So I got that. That's what was in this box. And let's see what's in this box. Ooh, this is a tiered fountain. That is cute, because you know what? I'm going to put this in the bedroom by one of these nightstands. That's really nice. I like that. That is really nice. Oh, it's LED lights, natural river rocks, and dual power. Beautiful. So that's these 2. We're going to put this in the bedroom. Let's see what's in here. Y'all, I don't know what's y'all's neck of the woods temperature and like the outside. It is so cold outside here in Ohio. It is ridiculous. Like really ridiculous. So stay warm, y'all. This is car interior light bar. Who gave me this? Is that what okay. That is really cool, y'all. Look. 2-pack LED car interior light bars. That is super cool. We are going to put this in the trucks. Super cool. Thank y'all. Last but not least, let's see what's in this bag. Ooh. Oh, wow. Dandelion wine, guys. Oh, my God. We got dandelion wine. Britain brought dandelion wine from the Amish country. So, that. What else is in here? Oh, an empty can. I forgot. What is this? Safe. What is this? Oh, this kills viruses in seconds. Safe and healthy. This is a disinfecting UV light. Super cool. That's super smart too. So I got that. We need this in this house. Like really. What else? A really nice, oh, this is a nice gold photo frame. I'm going to use this in my office. I'm going to put something in here. I'm going to find something to put in here that maybe with a saying or something and put this in the office. This is really nice. I like that. Gold photo frame. So guys, those are all the gifts. Okay, here's another thing. Let's put all these papers up first, and then we'll get into here's a card. Should have put my glasses on. Oh. There's no better times than Christmas to open your eyes to the goodness around us. That's super cute. Guys, what the hell? What is going on here? No, ma'am. No, sir. Oh, my God. That is really cute. To appreciate the people in our lives as the gifts they were, and to feel joy more deeply than ever, there's no better time than Christmas to think of the good and gracious people who are truly gifts to know. People like you. That's super cute. Y'all, how cool is that? Don't y'all come rob me now, but how cool is that? So yeah, those are all the gifts here, and I appreciate them all. So I'll see you guys in another video. I hope you guys enjoyed our gifts, and I hope you enjoyed that intro that I threw in there. They were super silly today. So yeah, guys, I will see y'all in another video. Bye. Mwah. Y'all want to see? Y'all want to see? Y'all want to see? Y'all want to see? There you go. Bye-bye.